Anyway, Tesla has donated multiple Cybertruck to be utilized as battery bank for Altadena mounted rescue at their station until power is restored. Elon Musk publicly apologized to people awaiting order for new vehicle as they would be used to provide power and Starlink to affected residents. Elon Musk has also streamed himself talking to firefighter about the fire. As promised, Elon Musk sent a massive convoy of Cybertruck to help people and support recovery effort. The most cell network is still down in the Pacific Palisade area. Starlink has become a vital lifeline.
Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can